Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the TP-Link Deco. This is a whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. I haven't seen videos of this anywhere because it seems like the ones that are mainly focused on are like the M4 and the M5. This is the Deco M3. So it comes with the three different, you get the router and the two APs here. So on the box here we get the specifications: 300 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz, 867 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz. We have our mesh protocols: 802.11k VR, MIMO, quality of service, access point mode, guest network, IPv6 compatible, 2 gigabit ports, all that good stuff here. So what's in the box? You get the router itself, the two wall plug extenders. So this is a little bit different, so it's not 3 APs that are all the same. We have the Ethernet cable that's included, power adapter, and quick install guide, and then you have the app that you use to get everything set up. So inside the box here, we have our main router and the two extenders here. We get a quick install guide here. Get our power plug for the router, all that good stuff. Here's our Ethernet cord for the router to your modem. Alright, so I got everything out of the package here. So this is your main router right here. So it's basically this kind of a tall cylindrical thing here. Got the TP-Link branding on there. Interesting design on the top. And it's just white all around. You have this kind of sectioned off part here. TP-Link branding. On the back you have your two Ethernet ports right there. On the bottom you have a reset button, and that is where your power will go also. So you just have a typical barrel plug there. And then you have your model information there, and you have two of these little extenders here. So you have this just goes on a wall outlet, nothing special there. So basically goes on your bottom outlet, or no, it looks like it's compatible with both, so you could turn it upside down or have it right way up. TP-Link on the front, couple indicators here. So you got a power indicator, your Wi-Fi indicator, 2.4 network and 5 network. And there you go. And then you set this up with the app. It does give you a quick install guide for the Deco router itself and for the extenders. And basically just has some real quick information in here getting started. So you download the TP-Link Deco app. You have your LED indicators right here. And then this comes in all different languages. And you also conveniently have that little QR code in the instructions also. For the extender, similar here. You're gonna have it in different languages. You'll have the App Store and Google Play QR code right there, and then just some information about the different things right there. So quick and easy. Let me show you the English one first. So you get your on, off, pulse, white solid, red solid, all that good stuff there. And then it gives you some help options at the bottom. So once you download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, you go in and select your model of the mesh router you have. It tells you what you'll need, tells you to go ahead and power off your modem, and you're going to go ahead and connect the one router, and then it gives you diagrams of each thing you're doing. From there, you'll power your modem back on, wait for the internet to actually light up there, and then you'll go ahead and power on the main Deco until it shows the light on the top pulsating blue. Once that is complete, it's then going to have you turn on the Wi-Fi on your phone, turn on location services on your phone. Now once it's actually found everything, it's going to ask you where this Deco is. So you go ahead and give it, there's pre-populated options you can choose from, or you can do a custom one. And then once that's done, it's going to go ahead and connect to the internet. And it'll automatically detect what internet type you have. From there, once it's actually detected that, it'll ask you to go ahead and set up your Wi-Fi network. I have skipped that part so that I don't show my friends information, but once you do that, it'll actually connect to the network that you've now created, and then you'll be able to add the other access points from the box. So this is just setting up the main Deco, and then each one you add will have similar questions to this. And they put their main one right here behind their TV, and on here you'll see at the top you have a little light indicator to tell you everything is good. Alright, and here is the little extra point there, so all the lights are lit up there. So they did have pretty good speeds in their house, and with the 2 access points added, they were able to get pretty decent speeds on all corners of the house. So I know this was kind of a sporadic video and it wasn't kind of normally like my other videos, but I did want to show the unboxing and setup process of the Deco M3, and I think from what I've seen, it's a pretty decent option, especially in the lower end. I did try to get some speed tests in there to show you, so they have about 300 megabits per second for their speeds. However, their modem doesn't quite get the 300 that they actually pay for, so it was giving me about 260 to 280 at the high end at the router. And on the other end of the house, they did put in the extenders, and they were getting about 160 to 170. But it was consistent, and it actually had full bars, so I think that it was still pretty good. The app has a lot more to offer on it, so you do have all the goodies that a lot of the other manufacturers have. So you have the guest network you can have there, you have you can limit devices, you can give devices high priority, all that kind of stuff. So definitely looks like a good option on the low end. So again, sorry this wasn't the greatest video, but hopefully that gives you an idea of what you're getting when you get the Deco M3. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching this, and if you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.